Hi, friends. I am so excited that I get to communicate with you guys over social media and over technology like this. I'm going to read you guys a book today. I have a Ms Brooke book. I have Pete the cat and his magic sunglasses. You guys ready? Pete the cat did not feel happy. Pete had never ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Right on. The birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw Squirrel. You guys see him over here? Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I am so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today. Only one." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Look at Pete with his sunglasses on. Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. "I am so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am all upside down today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Far out. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I am so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around, rockin'. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Oh no! Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Who did he see? Wise old owl said, "Pete, you do not need those sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day." Pete looked around without his sunglasses. The birds were singing. The sky was bright. The sun is shining, and we are all feeling all right. The end. Hey, friends, this was a really great book to read today because your e-learning is talking about expressing ourselves, right? And telling our friends and our family members how we feel. So just like Pete's friends in his book, right? They were feeling sad or mad or frustrated. And they took the time to use their words to tell their friend Pete how they felt. And I think that's a really, really good lesson for this week. Our lives have changed so much right now that it is very, very important that anytime you are feeling an emotion in your body, instead of acting out, it is always a good thing to tell another person, "I feel sad. I feel mad." It is good to talk with our family about the way that we are feeling. I miss you all so much, and I will talk to you all soon. I love you all very, very, very much. Bye, guys.